CleanBurn's multi-oil heating systems let you safely and economically burn used oil generated on-site. It provides free heat, dramatically reducing or eliminating your heating costs while removing your used oil liability and disposal costs. Every CleanBurn furnace is designed exclusively to burn used oil and burn it efficiently, safely, and reliably. From the advanced design of the burner and heat exchanger to the expert installation and service provided by your distributor, CleanBurn is the #1 seller and your best choice in used oil heating and recycling. CleanBurn manufactures a variety of furnace models, with one just right for your shop. This is the CB3500, which is one of CleanBurn's larger models. We will use it along with the popular CB2500 to show what makes CleanBurn so efficient and long-lasting. A CleanBurn heating system is comprised of 3 sections: the oil storage tank, the oil pump assembly, and the furnace unit itself. The waste oil used to fuel the CleanBurn furnace is held in an oil storage tank. An existing storage tank can be used, or your CleanBurn distributor can provide a storage tank appropriately sized to your operation. It can be located either inside or outside your shop. The oil pump assembly receives electrical power and is switched by the furnace burner. Oil is drawn from the storage tank and through the filter, removing gross impurities. Its stainless steel 100 mesh filter is washable in a parts washer. The fuel flow control pump features heavy-duty steel gears encased in an oil bath and a precision assembly to help ensure a long, reliable service life. The oil flow rate is consistent due to precise gear ratios and pump speeds set for each individual furnace. Correct flow rates are maintained, ensuring optimum performance. CleanBurn's brawny, reliable metering pump, shown in this video, allows the furnace to be installed up to 100 feet from a storage tank. It also permits the use of an outside storage tank where, in colder temperatures, many competitive pumps cannot function. In addition, CleanBurn offers an adjustable pumping system that can handle oil line runs up to 300 feet in length. No competing waste oil furnace can provide such flexibility and convenience. The oil line, along with an air line, feed into CleanBurn's innovative burner. CleanBurn's patented oil burner has been engineered from the ground up, specifically to burn used oils. Unlike standard fuel oil, waste oils have a higher flash point and must be preheated in order to ignite properly. CleanBurn's advanced burner design features a preheater block, an ignition system, and a special retention head, resulting in the best burner in the industry. The preheater block heats the oil and air supply to deliver a consistent temperature and oil viscosity to the nozzle, ensuring a complete combustion. The burner design permits the use of readily available shop air, or can be fitted with a CleanBurn unit-mounted compressor. The additional combustion air is added to the oil at the ignition point in the burner retention head. This special retention head creates more air turbulence at the point of ignition in a carefully calculated pattern, generating a larger, more efficient flame. It makes burning used oils more reliable and more forgiving. A CleanBurn furnace employs heavy-duty construction inside and out. Its combustion chamber is made of heavier, thicker steel, which contributes to greater heat retention and extra durability. On average, our furnaces weigh up to 200 pounds more than many competitive furnaces. Combustion takes place in a large blast chamber. At the opposite end is an energy retention plate made from innovative, heat-durable material that reflects heat back into the combustion chamber while protecting the furnace. The heat ultimately moves over and around the energy retention plate and into the heat exchanger's multi-pass tube array. CleanBurn's heavy-duty blower draws in cold air and passes it over and through the multi-pass heat exchanger's tube array and around the blast chamber, giving it ample time to absorb maximum BTUs. The heated air exits through the louvered vents, comfortably warming your shop environment. The chimney stack vents the furnace exhaust through the roof or out a nearby wall. Because heat has been efficiently extracted before reaching this point, a CleanBurn stack temperature is significantly lower than that of its competitors. At 250 hours of operation, it is around 650 degrees Fahrenheit, while the competitors measure 900 degrees Fahrenheit or more. CleanBurn is able to take heat extraction to yet another level inside its larger furnaces. It employs an advanced multi-pass approach in extracting heat from the gases produced by the burner, and another multi-pass method in transferring that heat to your shop environment. Once again, the combustion takes place in a large blast chamber with an energy retention plate at the opposite end. As the hot gases arrive at the rear of the furnace, they are routed through the top tube array, back towards the front of the furnace. The gases take another turn and move toward the back of the furnace through the bottom tube array. Because the hot gases have had such a long travel through the heat exchanger, more heat has been transferred to the heat exchanger itself. The gases finally exit through the stack significantly cooler. The blower introduces cold air in from the top and around the heat exchanger's heated tubes and towards the bottom, picking up heat along its travel. The airflow is then routed back up and out through the louvers. Because the air has had ample time to absorb maximum heat, you realize considerable heating efficiency. Once again, CleanBurn's tradition of innovation pays off for its customers. CleanBurn makes routine maintenance truly routine. Their flue passageways are larger than on most competitive furnaces and results in longer operation time between routine cleanings. On average, a CleanBurn furnace requires cleaning only every 700 to 1,000 hours, as compared to every 350 hours for many competitive units. CleanBurn's swing-away burner design provides quick, easy access to the burner with no need to disconnect the oil and air lines. There is also a swing-out burner door to provide quick, easy access to the combustion chamber. These unique modular design elements make service faster and easier. Service after the sale is available from your CleanBurn distributor. They maintain a complete stock of parts and can give you as much or as little service as you require. Your distributor offers complete system installations by trained professionals, or if you like, you can do the work and they'll assist you in your effort, whichever is more convenient and cost-effective for you. There are many reasons to own a CleanBurn. Its flexibility, solid construction, innovative technology, high efficiency, legendary durability, unmatched service, and the best return on your investment. We're sure you'll find even more reasons to own the best-selling used oil furnace, CleanBurn.